I picked this one a while ago because I liked it. It was light, it was powerful, and it was Makita. I am using as a stand a different Makita tool. And I got it because, well, I have a really bad back. It's light enough for me to carry around, and it's powerful enough to get most of the stuff I need to clear. Now, I had a guy come over and do the heavy gardening for me, but I am the one that's handling the Makita air blower in the video that you're about to see right now. I think it's really worth the money that I paid for it. I think it's a great product, and I've had it for a couple of years now, no problem. The battery charges up. It came in a box with this plug-in battery charger and one battery, and that was it. And for me, that's been enough. And even after a couple of years, it's like brand new. I took care of it, and it just stayed in perfect condition. So 15 volts, it's got lots of power, and it does the job I need it to do, blowing around some dust and dirt and some, bamboo leaves. That's really all I need it for. And for that, it's been great. Good job, Mark.